The information about the course is the final label of the pre-course stage section. It lists the number and kind of documents that the course manager can share, and it is stated that course managers can add additional documents if there is a need to. This can be easily done by turning editing on, and the option appears to add an activity or resource. Here you can choose File and click on Add. You are asked to type in a name. Adding a description is non-compulsory. Finally, you can attach the document. You can do it two ways, by either using the file upload window or by simply dragging and dropping the right document to the designated place. When you're finished uploading, just click Save and Display, and you are done. Here's the link to download the document. You need to repeat this process for each and every file you want to share. Once you are done, you can update the label through the editing settings, where you can make changes or delete unnecessary text. Lastly, save the changes you have made.